Hello everyone. Welcome to Synapse, your gateway to mastering NEET biology. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of biomolecules, specifically focusing on lipids. These essential molecules are much more than just fats, they're vital for energy, structure, and communication within your body. We'll start with the basics, then gradually explore their complex roles, preparing you thoroughly for your NEET exams. Get ready for an exciting journey through the levels of understanding. Ready to unlock the secrets of fats and oils? Let's begin our easy exploration of lipids. Lipids are a diverse group of organic molecules crucial for life. What makes them unique? They are insoluble in water, meaning they don't mix with it, but they readily dissolve in organic solvents like ether. Think of oil and water, they separate. This insolubility, or hydrophobicity, is their defining characteristic. Unlike carbohydrates or proteins, lipids are untypically true polymers formed from repeating monomer units. They're mainly composed of carbon and hydrogen, with much less oxygen. This group includes common fats, oils, waxes, and more complex molecules like phospholipids and steroids. Their hydrophobic nature allows them to perform specialized roles in our bodies. So, what do these water-faring molecules actually do for us? Lipids are incredibly versatile. Firstly, they are excellent for long-term energy storage. A gram of fat stores more than double the energy of a gram of carbohydrate, making them highly efficient fuel reserves. Secondly, the fat layer under our skin, called adipose tissue, acts as thermal insulation, helping to keep our body warm. It also cushions and protects vital organs from physical shock. Finally, specific types of lipids, like phospholipids, are fundamental structural components, forming the very membranes that enclose our cells. Common examples you encounter daily are butter and olive oil, which are types of triglycerides, and beeswax, a protective wax. Time to test your basic understanding. Here are 3 quick practice questions. Pause the video, think about the answers, and see how well you've grasped the fundamental concepts of lipids. Good luck! Now, let's dive a little deeper into the different types of lipids and their basic building blocks. Ready for the medium level? Lipids aren't just one type, they're broadly classified based on their chemical structure. Simple lipids, like triglycerides, which are your everyday fats and oils, are esters of fatty acids with glycerol, and waxes are esters with long-chain alcohols. Compound lipids add extra groups. Phospholipids include a phosphate group and are crucial for cell membranes, while glycolipids have a carbohydrate part. Then there are derived lipids, formed from the breakdown of simple and compound lipids. This group includes steroids, like cholesterol and many hormones, and terpenes, which are found in vitamins and pigments. This classification helps us understand their varied roles. At the heart of many lipids are fatty acids, long chains of carbon atoms with a carboxylic acid group at one end. These chains can be either saturated or unsaturated. Saturated fatty acids have only single bonds between their carbon atoms, meaning they're saturated with hydrogen and tend to be solid at room temperature, like butter. Unsaturated fatty acids, on the other hand, contain one or more double bonds. These double bonds introduce kinks in the chain, preventing them from packing tightly together, which is why they are typically liquid at room temperature, like olive oil. This difference in saturation significantly impacts their physical properties and biological roles. Triglycerides, the most common type of lipid, are formed when one molecule of glycerol, a 3-carbon alcohol, combines with 3 fatty acid molecules. This reaction is a dehydration synthesis, releasing 3 water molecules. The fatty acids can be all saturated, all unsaturated, or a mix, determining if the triglyceride is a fat or an oil. Phospholipids, crucial for cell membranes, are slightly different. They replace one fatty acid with a phosphate group, making one end hydrophilic, or water-loving, and the other end, the two fatty acid tails, hydrophobic, or water-fearing. This amphipathic nature is what allows them to spontaneously form the lipid bilayer of cell membranes, orienting their heads towards water and tails away from it. Now it's time to solidify your understanding of lipid classification and structure. Tackle these 5 medium-level practice questions. Take your time, recall the details we just discussed, and challenge yourself. You're doing great. Let's elevate our understanding. We are moving to the hard level, exploring the intricate details and connections of lipids. Phospholipids are not just simple components, their detailed structure is key to cellular function. The glycerol backbone links two hydrophobic fatty acid tails, often one saturated and one unsaturated for optimal fluidity, to a hydrophilic phosphate group. This phosphate group is then often bound to another small polar molecule like choline or ethanolamine, creating diverse types of phospholipids, each with specific roles. This amphipathic design is what allows phospholipids to spontaneously form the lipid bilayer of cell membranes, acting as a selective barrier. This barrier is vital, controlling what enters and exits the cell, maintaining cellular integrity, and facilitating cellular communication. It's truly a marvel of biological engineering. Steroids, another critical class of lipids, are defined by their unique four-fused-ring carbon skeleton. Cholesterol is the most famous example, acting not only as a crucial component of animal cell membranes, regulating their fluidity and stability, but also as the primary precursor for all other steroids. This includes powerful signaling molecules like steroid hormones, such as estrogen and testosterone, which regulate reproduction and development, and cortisol, involved in stress response and metabolism. Even vitamin D, essential for calcium absorption and bone health, is a steroid derivative. Their distinct structure enables their diverse and profound biological impacts, from structural support to complex physiological regulation. Lipids are an incredibly concentrated energy source, and their metabolism is a complex, vital process. After digestion, dietary triglycerides are broken down into fatty acids and monoglycerides, absorbed, and then reassembled into triglycerides, packaged into chylomicrons for transport. The magic happens in the mitochondria, where fatty acids undergo beta-oxidation, a process that systematically cleaves to carbon units in the form of acetyl-CoA. This acetyl-CoA then feeds into the Krebs cycle, generating ATP, NAD, and FADH2, which power oxidative phosphorylation, producing massive amounts of cellular energy. Conversely, excess carbohydrates and proteins can be converted into fatty acids and stored as triglycerides in adipose tissue, demonstrating the body's sophisticated energy management. Furthermore, essential fatty acids, like linoleic and alpha-linolenic acid, are crucial because our bodies can't synthesize them. They are precursors for eicosanoids, powerful local hormones involved in inflammation and blood clotting, highlighting their critical role in maintaining physiological balance. Excellent work so far. Now, let's consolidate your knowledge with these 7 challenging questions. These questions require a deeper understanding of lipid structures, functions, and metabolic pathways. Take your time, analyze each option, and apply what you've learned. You're building a strong foundation for NEET success. Ready to master lipids at the highest level? We are about to explore the most intricate details, competitive insights, and real-world applications. This is the hardest level. Beyond the basic categories, lipids exhibit incredible structural diversity, leading to highly specialized functions. Take sphingolipids, for instance, they're built on a sphingosine backbone, not glycerol, and are vital components of nerve cell membranes, particularly in the myelin sheath. Glycolipids, with their attached carbohydrate groups, adorn the outer surface of cell membranes, acting as crucial markers for cell-cell recognition, adhesion, and even determining blood groups. Then we have terpenes, derived from isoprene units, which include essential vitamins like A, E, and K, as well as vibrant carotenoid pigments and fragrant essential oils, playing roles from vision to plant defense. And let's not forget eicosanoids, potent local hormones derived from 20 carbon fatty acids like arachidonic acid. Prostaglandins, thromboxanes, and leukotrienes, all eicosanoids, intricately regulate processes like inflammation, pain, and blood clotting, showcasing the immense regulatory power hidden within these lipid molecules. The cell membrane isn't just a static barrier, it's a dynamic, fluid mosaic, and its fluidity is precisely tuned by lipid composition. Unsaturated fatty acids, with their characteristic cis double bonds, introduce kinks that prevent tight packing, thereby increasing membrane fluidity. Saturated fatty acids, conversely, pack tightly, reducing fluidity. Cholesterol, the unsung hero, acts as a fluidity buffer. At moderate temperatures, it reduces excessive fluidity by hindering phospholipid movement, but at low temperatures, it prevents tight packing, maintaining flexibility. This delicate balance is vital for membrane function. Furthermore, specialized microdomains called lipid rafts, rich in cholesterol and sphingolipids, exist within the membrane. These thicker, more ordered platforms aren't just random patches, they serve as critical hubs for signal transduction, endocytosis, and precise protein sorting, illustrating an exquisite level of organization within the cellular landscape. Given their insolubility, lipids require sophisticated transport mechanisms in the bloodstream. This is where lipoproteins come into play, complexes of lipids and proteins that shuttle fats throughout the body. Chylomicrons transport dietary triglycerides from the intestine. VLDL carries triglycerides synthesized by the liver. LDL, often dubbed bad cholesterol, delivers cholesterol from the liver to peripheral tissues, and high levels are a major contributor to atherosclerosis, the hardening of arteries. Conversely, HDL, or good cholesterol, performs reverse cholesterol transport, scavenging excess cholesterol from tissues and returning it to the liver for excretion, thus reducing cardiovascular risk. Clinically, dyslipidemia, abnormal lipid levels, is a significant risk factor for a cascade of health issues, including heart attacks, strokes, obesity, and metabolic syndrome. Understanding these transport systems is paramount for diagnosing and managing these widespread diseases, highlighting the direct link between lipid biochemistry and human health. The unique properties of lipids are not just confined to biology, they're ingeniously leveraged in engineering and medicine. Emulsification, the process of mixing immiscible liquids like oil and water, relies on amphipathic molecules like phospholipids or bile salts acting as emulsifiers. These molecules stabilize tiny droplets, crucial in food products like mayonnaise and in our own digestion. Beyond food, lipids are at the forefront of drug delivery. Liposomes, spherical vesicles formed by a lipid bilayer, encapsulate drugs, protecting them from degradation, enhancing their bioavailability, and even enabling targeted delivery to specific cells or tissues. This precision minimizes side effects and maximizes therapeutic efficacy. Even more advanced are lipid-based nanoparticles, like those used in mRNA vaccines, which offer superior stability, controlled release, and improved penetration across biological barriers. From stabilizing food to revolutionizing medicine, the engineering insights derived from lipid properties continue to expand their impact on our daily lives and future health technologies. You've made it to the ultimate challenge. These first 5 hardest level questions demand a comprehensive understanding of advanced lipid concepts, their structural nuances, and their physiological roles. Take your time to analyze each question thoroughly, connecting the dots between different aspects of lipid biochemistry. This is where your true NEET preparation shines. Let's continue to push your boundaries with the remaining 5 hardest level questions. These questions delve into the clinical relevance, transport mechanisms, and even the engineering applications of lipids. Think critically, integrate knowledge from various sections, and demonstrate your mastery of this complex and vital biomolecule class. You're almost there. And that brings us to the end of our in-depth exploration of lipids. I hope this journey from easy to hardest has solidified your understanding and boosted your confidence for NEET. Remember, consistent practice and conceptual clarity are key. For more such comprehensive educational content, practice questions, and personalized learning experiences, visit synapse.omaps.in. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting biology lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep aiming for success. See you in the next session.